In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix limit problem on Instagram app. So hello guys and welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix the limit problem in less than 50 seconds. Yes guys, in less than 50 seconds, I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then open the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode and wait a few seconds and then disable it like this, and then go back and open the apps manager on your phone. Go to the apps, go to Instagram app informations. Now on this page, it's a very important step. All what you have to do is open the permissions and make sure that all the permissions are enabled, especially the storage permission, and then go back, click here on force stop, and then click on notifications management and make sure that all notifications are enabled, and then go to the storage and clear data and clear cache. That's it, the problem is solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe.